I'm Mark Reith here with the incredibly handsome Michael Finarelli, and today we're talking about the biggest tobacco stock in the United States, Altria. Over the last couple of years, there's been a lot of upheaval in the tobacco industry with the development of e-cigarettes and the potential banning of menthol cigarettes. Mike, where does all that leave Altria?
Well, you know, I think Altria is, like you said, I mean, the biggest tobacco company, right? So, I mean, they're going to continue doing what they've done for the past 50 years, which is sell tobacco and really dominate the space, okay? They are actually pushing out the Mark 10 product as far as e-cigarettes are concerned. But whereas Lorillard is kind of making a much more aggressive push and helping push out the frontier of the e-cigarette revolution, Altria, with its Mark 10 brand, is actually taking the slow and steady approach. And it can afford to do that because the cigarette business for Altria is extremely lucrative. Lorillard, on the other hand, is dealing with potential menthol regulation. So it has to do that, as menthol, Newport being its largest menthol brand, represents almost some 90% of the actual business.
Absolutely. Now, like you said, Altria is very much a slow and steady company. You're not going to find much growth in tobacco these days.
Right.
Is Altria still a great income investment then? Is that where I want my dividends to be coming from?
Absolutely. You know, I mean, the company, it's a cash flow machine, quite honestly, Mark. Basically, a couple numbers here. For 2013, they essentially returned 97% of their free cash flow to shareholders. Not only in the form of dividends, mostly in the form of dividends, but also in the form of share buybacks. So it's an extremely shareholder-friendly management, and free cash flows are actually growing. Over the past several years, since 2009, they've compounded free cash flow growth at 6%. So free cash flows are very large, continuing to grow. Even though they're facing regulation, excise taxes amongst tobacco and stuff like that here in the United States, volume seems to be on the slow decline. Let's not mistake, this is a matured business.
Right.
But they have the pricing power to offset that. So it's still a very good company, great dividend payer.
Okay, so all that being said, if I need income and I'm looking to invest for it, is Altria my pick in the tobacco industry?
It's certainly my pick, to be honest with you. I think it's generating a yield north of 5% right now, trailing PE of 16. So valuation doesn't seem too expensive right now at the time being, and given what we just talked about, the fact that it's a free cash flow machine, and I really don't see any reason that this is going to stop in the foreseeable future, I think this is a great business for your dividend portfolio.
All right, for Michael Finarelli, I'm Mark Reith. Thanks for watching, and Fool On.